This is a peacock. It has lovely, colorful feathers. Let us now see what a bird's life cycle is like. Birds begin their life inside a hard egg. After a few weeks, the eggs hatch and a chick comes out of the egg. These chicks are also called nestlings. Nestlings have beaks, legs, and wings like their parents, only that they are not yet fully grown. When the eggs hatch, they are called nestlings. Nestlings are not ready to fly as yet. Their parents bring food to them